Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am going to start today isomerase. Already I have discussed about the isomerase in previous video, but today I will discuss types of isomerase. What is type of isomerase, or we can also say classification of isomerase. So what is classification of isomerase? Types of isomerase. Today I will discuss it. Types of isomerase. Types of isomerase. So isomerase is divided in two parts. Isomerase. Number one, structural isomerase. Isomerase, and second, stereoisomerase. Stereoisomerase. Structural isomerase is also divided in six parts. Number one, chain isomerase. Second, position isomerase. And third, functional isomerase. Functional isomerase. And fourth, metamerase. And fifth, tautomerase. Marriage. And six, ring chain isomerase. Ring chain isomerase. And stereoisomerase is divided in two parts. Number one, optical isomerase. Optical isomerase. Second, geometrical isomerase. Geometrical isomerase. So it is a classification of isomerase. Isomerase is divided in two parts. Number one, structural isomerase, or number second, stereoisomerase. Structural isomerase is divided in six parts. Number one, chain isomerase, position isomerase, functional isomerase, metamerase, tautomerase, and ring chain isomerase. Stereoisomerase is divided in two parts. Number one, optical isomerase, or number second, geometrical isomerase. So I will discuss one by one. First, structural isomerase. First is structural isomerase. Structural isomerase. What is structural isomerase? I will explain with the help of this example. C2H6O having two isomers. First is ethyl alcohol and second is dimethyl ether. We form structure of ethyl alcohol. C, H, H and H. C, H, H and OH. Structure of dimethyl ether. C H H H. O single bond C. C contain 3 number of hydrogen atom which are attached by single bond with carbon atom H, H and H. So those organic compound having the same molecular formula but different structure formula are called structural isomer and this phenomenon is known as structural isomerism. यानी ऐसे कोई भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जिनके मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला सेम होंगे लेकिन स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला डिफरेंट होंगे, तो दो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड हैविंग द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला बट डिफरेंट structure formula are called structural isomer and this phenomenon is known as structural isomerism. Clear? Structural isomerism is also divided in 6 part. Number 1, chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. So what is chain isomerism? I will explain it with the help of this example. Take an organic compound having the formula C5H12 that is called pentane. Pentane has following isomers. First is CH3 single bond CH2, single bond CH2, CH2 and CH3. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called normal pentane. If alkene containing straight chain carbon, then that is called normal pentane. And second isomer we can form one, two, three, four. That is called isopentane. If it contains one side chain of carbon atom, then that is called isopentane. And third, one, two, three. Three carbon atom in a straight chain, then that is called neopentane. Neopentane. Neo. So those organic compound having the same molecular formula. Same molecular formula means all isomers contain same number of carbon atom and same number of hydrogen atom. That is called same molecular formula. Those organic compound having the same molecular formula but different carbon chain. In first example, 5 carbon present in straight chain. In second example, 4 carbon present in straight chain. In third example, 3 carbon atom present in straight chain. We can say those organic compound having the same molecular formula but different carbon chain are called chain isomer and this phenomenon is known as chain isomerism. Clear? Next, position isomerism. Position isomerism what is position isomerism? Position, I will explain position isomerism with the help of this example. CH3 single bond CH2, CH2 and OH. And for second isomer of this compound, CH3 CH single bond OH single bond CH3. Numbering of 1 2 3 1 2 3. Name of this organic compound pentanol 2, because OH group attached with third carbon atom, so that is called pentanol 3. And pentanol 2. Those organic compounds which have the same molecular formula but differ in position of functional group, because OH group attached in third place of this organic compound and OH group attached in second position in this organic compound. So position of OH group will be different. So that is called position isomers. Those organic compound having the same molecular formula but differ in position of functional group are called position isomer, and this phenomenon is known as position isomerism. यानी ऐसे कोई भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जिनके मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम हो लेकिन फंक्शनल ग्रुप का प्लेस चेंज हो, पोजीशन चेंज हो, तो उसे कहेंगे हम पोजीशन आइसोमर, और इस घटना को, इस प्रोसेस को पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.